Karsil na ni thok tu nu niya kan sil do na ni.
I was gonna ask, is this a new van?
Well, no, my other car's in the shop.
So is this like a rental?
Yeah, and actually I get it today, but I wanted to return this nice and looking good.
Right.
So they don't charge you extra for extra cleaning or whatever.
Right.
We took it to up north and back. I had my family from India here.
Okay.
So yeah, so no, the Prius will be back.
Okay. Well, I seen you over there, and I was like,
Yeah.
Did you get a new van? I got
Yeah. It's very nice,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
We've enjoyed it.
This makes me want to get a van. I don't even
I know, right? Oh, well, there we go. Yeah, it's I love vans. You know, they're ready to roll.
Right. And you got enough room for everyone.
That's what I love.
Yeah.
It's all about family, right?
Right. And I got a big family, so that's why I got an SUV.
Yeah, see?
But I got a big family.
That's good.
Yeah, everyone rides with me.
All right, what's your name again, Tiffany?
Brittany.
Brittany. Thank you, Brittany.
Britney Spears.
You're like Britney
din,
Spears.
That's what
Britney
everyone says when I
Spears.
was in school.
Only prettier.
I said, thank you. And maybe I would have a little bit of money.
Yeah, right? But she's crazy now, man.
Right? I heard something about that.
Do you have Instagram?
I don't.
Oh, if you get that, go watch her on there. She goes crazy every day on there, doing stupid stuff.
I know the one girl has it. I'm going to ask her to look it up.
Oh yeah, you can see she's doing all these crazy dances every day that are just stupid, and I don't know why she's doing it.
Yeah, I heard she kind of went crazy after she shaved her head.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah, I guess everyone deals different with fame, right?
Right, something.
Well, it's good to see you, Brittany.
Good to see you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, and it's good to see you.
I got you all some. I wanted to bring you all a little. I got you something for the New Year, so I'll have to bring it. It's do you like Hershey chocolate kisses?
I did.
It's a bag of kisses.
Hell yeah. Thank
So-
you. We appreciate it.
Well, you're welcome. I'll bring them soon. All right.
I'm sure I'll be here.
Okay, if not, I'll try to catch you or leave them for you. All right. Thanks, Brittany.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Here we go. Call son motor lo sil mua bai dan ni. Russia mate khu mate transwal la te ho ron bol se thang henu hian. Ron hir pup me. Ron tu suru rel dan ni hian mo. Sin oi sam khop mai kar pakhat sin chu ma rei lem lo khop mai. Chặt nó là xem ra xem rau